Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper on a 4th generation Hyundai Accent quickly and safely. Make sure to watch this video until the end because there are several hidden fasteners that many people miss. If you don't remove them, the bumper won't come off properly and you could easily break the mounting tabs. I'll show you exactly where these hidden fasteners are located. Let's get started. The first step is to open the trunk. Before we can remove the bumper, we need to remove both rear taillights. Many people don't realize that there are bumper mounting points hidden underneath the taillights. Open the access cover and you'll find 3 mounting nuts. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove all 3 nuts carefully. Once the nuts are removed, gently pull the taillight outward and disconnect the electrical connectors. Set the taillight aside in a safe place. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the vehicle. With both taillights removed, you'll now see additional bumper mounting screws hidden underneath them. There are 2 screws on each side, securing the upper section of the bumper. Remove these screws completely before moving on to the next step. Now let's move to the wheel arch area. Here you'll find several screws that secure the bumper, inner fender liner, and mud flap. For easier access, I highly recommend lifting the vehicle with a jack. On one side, I'll demonstrate the procedure without removing the wheel. On the other side, I'll remove the wheel completely so you can compare both methods and choose whichever works best for you. Using a 10mm socket, remove the upper mounting bolt first. After that, switch to a screwdriver bit or power driver and remove the remaining screws holding the wheel liner and mud flap in place. Don't forget about the plastic clip located underneath. This clip also needs to be removed before the bumper can come off. Now let's move to the other side. As you can see, removing the wheel gives you much better access to all the fasteners. With the wheel out of the way, you can easily use a power driver and remove everything much faster. Repeat the exact same procedure on the opposite side. Remove all screws, bolts, and clips securing the bumper. Once all side fasteners have been removed, you can carefully pull the bumper outward from both sides. You'll notice that the bumper starts releasing from the side retaining brackets. However, don't try to remove the bumper yet. This is where many people make a mistake. The bumper may feel loose, but there are still hidden fasteners holding it in place. Carefully release both sides and gently pull the bumper toward you. Then move underneath the vehicle so we can remove the remaining fasteners. On the bottom side of the bumper, you'll find additional screws and plastic clips. Remove all of them completely. After that, we're ready for the most important part of this job. I'm about to show you the hidden fasteners that prevent the bumper from coming off completely. If you look underneath and inside the bumper assembly, you'll find additional retaining clips securing the bumper to the body of the vehicle. These clips are often overlooked, and many people end up pulling too hard and damaging the bumper because they don't know they're there. Carefully remove these hidden clips from both sides. Once they're removed, the bumper is finally free and can be pulled away from the vehicle safely. And that's it! The rear bumper is now completely removed from the Hyundai Accent 4th generation. As you can see, the job is actually quite simple once you know where all the hidden screws and clips are located. The key is to take your time, follow each step carefully, and never force the bumper if it doesn't want to come off. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future repair tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.